All right, we got a beautiful Cherokee Alpha Wolf Limited. This thing has every option on it. 2 awnings, LED lighting, solid steps, 4-season package, 2 ACs. But this is why you get a limited. Woo! Look at all this. Man, this is beautiful when you walk into this thing. Sleeper sofa in the back, fireplace, pantry, TV, DVD. Look at this thing. Woo! Just gonna have to sit down and enjoy. Recliners, island kitchen. You got your own private bedroom and a bathroom with 2 entry doors. Well, look at this. What a great trailer.